Sorry. Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie. It's currently 6 a.m. so I'm not very awake and bright, you know, but we're gonna get there as the video slowly progresses. I feel like all my videos, like, because of being like in a university semester right now, I feel like all of them are going to be either really early in the morning or really late at night, because that's the only time I feel like I can kind of compensate without overstepping on my studying. I'm sorry if that doesn't make any sense. It's 6. I still feel like I shouldn't be awake.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Today we're gonna do a Boxycharm unboxing. So I already opened these things because I don't know why Boxycharm has the sick pleasure of sending me my box on the 28th of the month when I'm trying to get this video up before the end of the month, which is not going to be possible this month because y'all keep playing. So please interact with this video so that they actually send me the boxes early. I don't even need them to sponsor me at the moment. Like, just send me my box for free and send it early. Anyways, we're gonna unbox. I've already taken things out of the boxes, but I'm gonna tell you what I got. Why am I looking like this? I feel like I look weird, girl. What is this? The first thing I got is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. Moisture Trip is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega-rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. This soothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provides instant relief from skin stress. I've reacted on my face from products that had cannabis sativa seed oil. I've been using this for 2 nights. Nothing really changed, so I'm gonna keep using it, and if I see that it's making me react, I'm gonna leave y'all a note in the description box to tell you that, girl, this is not it. This usually retails for $54 US, and the packaging is so cute. But not only that, because I've used it twice now, it's a really nice thick, but like it's not like a annoyingly thick, like I can't even spread it, you know. It's like just a nice thick and plump cream. I personally cannot smell a potent smell out of this cream, so if you're kind of sensitive to smells, this could be a good idea. Then we got the Cargo Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette, a combination of 9 neutral, matte, and shimmer eyeshadows to complement and define your eyes. This travel-friendly palette is perfect for a beautifully enhanced everyday look. It retails for $39.99, and I'm going to show you. Look, this girl,
what the hell we gonna do now?
Like, I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this palette, but this is not a palette I would usually go for. It's really not a palette I would usually go for. But I will admit, because I don't use a lot of cool tones, I'm excited for the outcome of today's look, but I don't know how often I'm gonna reach. You know, I'm gonna reach for it, but it's cool, it's cool. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel, a tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for a long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. I'm really excited about this. This retails for $20. This is the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. The Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer is the perfect shade of amber to besto, a beachy glow without even stepping foot on the sand. The rich coppery tone lends just the right amount of color for a natural looking tan. This retails for $24, by the way. I'm really excited. Let me show you. I hope it's gonna be dark enough. I really do. It should be, right? I guess we'll see, but it's like the packaging is really pretty, and I felt really lavish reading that description. So then we have the Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Balm. You'll have the real MVP most valuable pout with this hydrating butter lip balm. Your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. This one retails for $12, and so yeah, it's a lip balm. This has a smell. This is potent. It smells like, it doesn't smell bad, but I feel like now I feel like I want to puke. See, this one I hadn't tried. I mean, the texture on the lips is really nice. We love to see it. We love to see it. Okay, this whole box entire value is $150. which is really good. It's really, really good for the $25 US you spend. This is really nice. So what I'm going to do is we're gonna get into the makeup. Also, I'm so sorry I'm in PJs right now, but it's 6. Like, what are you gonna say to me, huh? What are you gonna say to me? I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. This one is in the shade Dutch. It's like a nice brown. Oh, it's an ashy brown. I love ashy brown in my brows. Yes. I don't know if you can see the difference. Oh, you probably can't. In real life, I can definitely see the ash in that one. I'm not gonna lie, I cannot really see it on camera, but it's nice. Wow, that is nice. I really like this. I really like this. I feel like brow gel, you can't see the difference until you really like stand close into the mirror, but I see the difference. It's nice. I never snitch on dead. I hold the break for you, Dad. From the Cargo Miss Nude Beach eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the black shade right here. Yes, we're going in strong, definitely. And what I'm going to do is like create like a cut crease line. What I kind of like with this black is it's not pulling out too black on the first dip, because I'm obviously gonna blend this, so I don't want it to be too hard that it becomes a blendable basically. But yeah, and obviously don't worry if this is not perfect, we're still gonna cut the crease after. I'm just doing this for like a guideline. And I'm keeping my eyes open when I create the line because I want it to be like above my fold. I don't know if you can see whether my eyes are closed or open. You can still see it, and it's what I want. It's exactly what I want. So the only reason why I'm filming this video just so goddamn early in the morning is because of how late I got my Boxycharm, and if I wanted to get this video up close to this month, because I'm not going to be able to get it like up during the month, I had to, you know, I obviously had to make this work. Present for you, Boxycharm.
Trust you will be dealt with. Period.
It's just I want to get it up because it makes no sense for me to be unboxing like a subscription box on the next month, you know. Like, it's like, okay, like ideally I would want to be able to get it up at least by the 20th, right? Because I feel like that would make some kind of chronological sense. But girl, I get it way after the 20th, so like that, you know. Then I'm going to take this brown shade on a ColourPop E10, and I'm just gonna buff out slightly the edges. So this is a pencil brush. It's very precise. So far the shadows are performing pretty well. I'm having no like blatant issue with the product, which is nice because I don't have patience right now. Like, it's the morning. Like, if you think I'm gonna have patience to work with a faulty eyeshadow, girl, you are mistaken. I'm just gonna slowly start pulling it out like this. What I'm going to do next is take this brown eyeshadow and I'm going to buff out the edges using an e.l.f. Oh my god, it's almost erased. Detail crease brush. These are some of my favorite brushes that have ever existed. Love these. This is a good way to do like a cut crease if ever you're like, you need a little bit of guidance, so you can just trace the line with the eyeshadow. You know, see where you could have made a mistake, and then when you cut it with concealer, first of all, the cutting with concealer is going to be so much easier because you don't have as much lid space that's covered, or you know, you don't have to create the shape when you're cutting it. You just create the shape at the beginning. You can erase it quickly, you know, easily, and then you can just kind of, you know, work it out. So obviously this is a good method for anyone who wants to learn how to do a cut crease relatively quickly. The reason why I did this method is obviously, you guys, like, it's 6. I'm gonna keep saying it until it gets into everyone's head. I'm filming a makeup tutorial at 6 a.m. What is this? These shadows, I'm not gonna lie, they blend very nicely together. Like, they blend very nicely together. I might not like the color story, but if you like this color story, this is a bomb like blendable formula. So as you can see, all of a sudden I look like I have blended eyeshadow. It's great, doesn't it? We love to see it. What I'm going to do is go back with every single shade just to intensify, and then we're gonna cut the crease. Very important. If you don't cut the crease, who's gonna cut the crease for you, you know? God damn you, Boxycharm. I could be sleeping right now. I already had a video filmed for this week. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm literally only filming this because it makes more sense to get this up right now, and I could not see myself uploading this next week. Like, what is this, girl? I have class later today too. Like, I have class at 8:30 and I have class from 8:30 to like 4 today, which is not ideal. It's online, okay, but it's still not ideal. I'm gonna take this off as soon as I'm done with it because, girl, I just don't want nobody asking me questions, especially because the teachers, they like force us to put our cameras on. Like, listen, I get it, you want to see people participate in class, but girl, I was not even participating when we were in class. I was just listening, minding my business, and if I had a question, I raised my hand. But like, no, girl, I'm in my home, please leave me be. Like, I can't even be in class with my bonnet on because you have to have everyone looking at you. Like, it's so annoying. Anyways, Coralie is not a fan of online school, in case you didn't know. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish in the shade Light Sand in order to cut this crease. Like, half the work is already done for us, trust me. Like, you have nothing left to do right now. It's gonna be really easy, smooth sailing from here. Don't ever say I never taught y'all something. I'm teaching y'all how to cut this crease, right? Oh my god, my mind just went to some place. Like, I was not thinking about makeup just now. Girl, wow. Oh my god, I'm in shock. This is good. I'm gonna take this shade, sorry, from the Cargo palette, and I'm going to pack it onto my lid. I'm gonna pack it really close to where the crease is. Like, I'm gonna try to not really overstep, because I'm gonna add, you're gonna see what I'm gonna add, but like, you know, I wish they had like a white, you know. I feel like these are just like sheer setting powders. And then I'm gonna create a wing with that black. This is the Essence Precise eyeliner brush, and I'm going to take the black on it, and I'm gonna start at like the half of my eye like this. Okay, and then I'm going to fill this in like the good citizen that I am. How does this qualify you to be a good citizen? I have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I basically did all my base, foundation, concealer, powder, and I'm now going to take the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Hopefully it's going to appear on my face, so I'm gonna start with my forehead, like so. Yeah. Totally. Yeah, kind of. You can see it. Kind of. Sorry for the state of my forehead. I'm having hormonal breakouts right now. It's not fun. Or is it? It's really not fun. It's not fun at all whatsoever. There's no world in which having hormonal breakouts is fun. I like that this bronzer is like, it's natural. It's very natural on me. For the winter, this is gonna be very nice. Like, I haven't tanned that much, so, you know, let me just talk my shit. Like, I really haven't tanned that much, so yeah, maybe, you know, for a winter moment or for anything like that, that might work. It's nice though. Okay, so let me recap on the makeup. Okay, the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel, love, adore. This is really like, I love brow gels in general because I have a lot of brow hairs, and I love brow gels that make my brow hairs look a little ashier because I feel like that looks cool. I feel like it looks good on me. You can't see it on camera, but I can really see it in real life. Just trust me on this one. This is a banger. Love to see her. Then we have the Cargo Cosmetics Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. I'm not gonna lie, I am not a fan of the color story in this palette, but the shades blend so well and the pigmentation is actually really, really nice. So if you guys like this kind of, you know, color palette, you could really, really like this. And the shimmers are actually insane. Let me show you, like, do you see this? Like, these shimmers are really, really nice. I actually really like the shimmers in this palette. They're really, really good. The Aesthetica bronzer, I like it. Do I love it? No. But is it a completely passable bronzer? Like, I don't hate it. There's nothing I don't like about it. It's just, I'm not like, you know, I'm not blown away, but it's really good. So like, I mean, it's clearly bronzing me. So far, this moisturizer is really, 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 really nice. I love the texture of it on my skin. I need to see if this is gonna break me out though, because you can never be too sure with ingredients you have reacted to before. So I want to see if she works for me, you know? And finally, this Sugar Brush Balm, I'm not gonna lie, my lips feel really nice and hydrated. I just don't like the scent. It makes me want to puke. And I don't think that's ever a good thing in a lip balm, because especially it's sitting so close to your nose. If you don't like the scent, girl, that's tough. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube. Then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel, because whenever you subscribe to this channel, what happens is that you know, neurological connections happen in your brain. Oh, I could have sounded so smart. Anyways, in French, when, you know, the neurons connect and the neurological influx is being transmitted, it's called a synapse. So this is what more of those are going to be created in your brain, so you're going to be smarter, think faster, and just achieve a level of brain power that nobody has achieved yet. So, you know, it is in your best interest to subscribe to this channel. I'm not going to tell you what to do though. You do whatever the hell you want. You are in control of your life, you know. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, such as Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I have all the links in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I shall see you in my next video, or else you will not obtain the brain power that I promised you. Anyways, have a great day and take care of yourself. Be careful out there. Wear a mask, because I know some of y'all don't be doing that. Actually, no, none of y'all, because my subscribers, y'all are not like this. I know you guys are good people, smart people that are gonna wear your mask, so encourage others to wear their masks, if I can even say that. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.